Well, I'm going to do a video here on how to do a levitation photo, or a floating in air photo. So first you have the photo here. Actually, this is me and my wife sitting on these bar stools. And then you take a photo of the background, and then a photo of yourself on the stools or whatever you want to set on. So I'm going to click on the top one. This is the one with us on the stools, and right click and click down here on add alpha channel. Then you go to your toolbox and click on eraser, and let me move this thing out of the way here. And you want to make the picture bigger. I'll go to 50% for right now. And then size your, right here, the scale your brush. And then you just start erasing away. I'm just going to do a really quick one here. Sometimes I'll use a fuzzy brush too. Gotta make it 100%. And when I make mistakes, I'll just hit Control Z, which I'm making a ton right now. Whoa. There. Real sloppy. But there you have us floating in the air. And here's one where I did a good job on it. Tried to get in there really good. And that's how you do it. All right, thanks.